Hello ma'am, good evening po. I'm Gina Selvio po from UMS Prudence. Um, the subject is reading and writing. The title is Should Parents Limit Teenager Use of Social Media? My answer po is yes, it need to be limited, especially in this day and age that is full of violence, especially when it comes to social media. It's getting to the point where they can't sleep all day because of the use of games apps. So it's really necessary to limit the use of social media. Therefore, due to the pressure teenager face, it is important for parents to limit due to the fact that in today's social media, they have become accustomed to comparing themselves to others and seeking approval from their peers. Yun lang po. Thank you.